So finally completed a major milestone today, and I now have the heat pump HVAC system running and heating the house. Have it set to 62 right now, and it started at 60 and it took a little bit, maybe half an hour to get it up to 62, but I think there were some issues with duct settings and everything. But I think 64 is pretty comfortable in this house. And I had a few things to fix, but I got everything hooked up today and turned it on, and a couple issues, and it's working now. So this is a major feat that I did all on my own with a Mr. Cool DIY ducted heat pump. So here is the Mr. Cool air handler that's in the attic. And how about if I walk you through the parts? So this and that 16-inch duct are the air returns. This air return comes from the living room right over here. And this air return comes from the top of the stairs. So it's mainly pulling air from the basement. You can see it over there. So the air return comes in here, and then I have an electrostatic filter set up. It's not currently turned on or anything, so right now I just have a 1-inch filter here, but basically an electrostatic filter in case there's a lot of smoke or anything in the air that I want to take out. So this should be better at filtering the air. So these are the line sets that go to the outside condenser, and these were the things that I've been waiting on, because there's valves in here. These are pre-charged, so I didn't have to create a vacuum and recharge them with refrigerant. They came already loaded with refrigerant, but I didn't want to turn on the valves until I had someone up here checking for bubbles, and I was checking for leaks at the other end. And so I finally got trying to help me out with that, and there were no detectable leaks, so I went ahead and turned everything on. So the line sets are turned on. This is the condensate P-trap here. It goes down and drains out into it basically drains into the floor drain in the basement. And then this is a drain pan underneath, and this is for in case of anything going wrong with the primary condensate drain. And this drains out in front of a window for the primary bathroom. So hopefully it's something that you'll notice if it starts draining. Then I have one thermostat wire to the condenser outside, one thermostat wire to the thermostat inside, and then just a power cable. And then this is just a 15 amp 240 volt circuit with a double throw switch. And this is all working. It's creating heat. And this system can be set to either 2-ton or 3-ton. And it came as default 3-ton, and that's what it's running at right now. And it does need to be cleaned a little bit. And here's the outdoor condenser. It's not terribly loud, so it's right outside these windows. This window is the basement bathroom. This is the utility room, so I pointed it this direction so noise would go out this way, but it's not really very loud. I don't think you can really hear it through the triple pane windows. So yeah, it's working. It says on and blowing out very cold air. This is 30 amp 240 volt circuit. Line sets here. They need to be, I need to insulate these and seal them and put on supports so that